can you like move? Wait, forward, forward. Can you? No, go to your like left. No, I mean you're backwards, backwards. Down. Wait, decline, decline, decline. Nah, for the outcome was already decided. Okay, now can you stop? So can you show where am I? Can you turn around? Wait, can you show me where are we supposed to go? Wait, am I going to? Yeah. What the bro? Bro! Epic shitty. Wait. Ah! Accept. Wait, wait, wait. Why am I unfollowing? Because like why is the first one? Why am I flying? Why am I flying? Here, did you fall? Swap. Okay, can you show me where you have to be bro? You know what? I'll just do top down. Bro! Yeah, but it's different. Look at the request angle button. I think I died. I think I died. There. Okay, go to press. Give me the 2D perspective. No, that's stop that. Go to the side. I said go to the side. Yeah, like that. I did not say move the camera. Bro! Wait, you can kill? Can you like move to where? Excuse me, I said 2D. I said 2D, that's all. Ah, I wanna swap. Wrap around. How do you fall? Wait, there's find there. How do you fall? How do you fall? Should I do oh never mind. I'll just do that. No, that's just like a wrap around. Jump. How do you fall? Fine player. Fine. Should I just keep spamming fine? Wait. How? Yeah, 2D is better. You a bit fine. But that's it. Swap. Swap. Bro, I'm dying. Bang. I'm better at navigating. Wait, yo, bro, request. Give me the 2D perspective. I said give me the 2D perspective. Wait, can you give me the backwards perspective? Bro, I'm dying. Wait, can you have to like be in front of me. Be in front of me. No, but you're giving me a 2D. Bro, the drone's covering my avatar. Kaboom! Give me the backwards view. Yeah, I look beautiful in this angle. Wait, can you go closer to my avatar? Can you go closer to my avatar? Wait, closer? Yeah, that's better. Should we just swap? No. Uh, give me the 2D angle. Give me the cell. Give me that Zelda angle. Yeah, it's a game, obviously. Bro, bro. Bro, somebody's attacking you. Boom. If you move, my direction things like turns different. We're in the icy lands. Bro, how are you falling? Give me that 2D angle. What's that? Why are, it's the one in the red. Can you see the one in the red? I'm so bad at shooting. Okay, okay, how do I do that? Uh, Oh, you used to skip. Oh, wait, what's that? Oh, so it was just an exploding drone.